Hi, let me show you something quickly because this matters more than any explanation. Most people think that Facebook doesn't work anymore. That's just not true. What is true is that most people were never shown how to use it properly in the first place. What you're looking at here is a simple Facebook setup that turns a profile into a lead conversion asset. Not ads, not cold DMs, not posting all day. After this system, people stop guessing what to post, stop wondering if they're doing it right, and they start conversations that actually go somewhere. This is for beginners, side hustlers, affiliate marketers, people who want simple, ethical ways to use Facebook without pressure or burnout. It's not for the people looking for shortcuts, overnight wins, or who refuse to follow a process. If you want clarity and a solid starting point, you're in the right place. Facebook 101 is a simple system that shows you how to position yourself properly. It shows you what to post and how to use Facebook as a relationship and opportunity platform. No tech overwhelm, no complicated funnels, just the fundamentals done correctly so that you're not spinning your wheels. Now, the Facebook 101 system is $7. That's a one-time payment, no subscription. One conversation, one lead, or one small commission easily covers that. The real value is not guessing anymore and finally knowing you're doing things the right way. When you get access, you will also receive a few bonuses that remove the usual sticking points. You'll get prompts so you're never stuck with what to say. You'll get walkthroughs which show you exactly how this works in real life. And you'll see the next steps available if you decide you want to go further. But that's later on. There's nothing forced. And you'll also get access to two amazing communities, the Digital Income Freedom Hub and Winning on Purpose, which is a standalone community that really shows you how to drive sales, leads, commissions, just doing some simple daily operations using Facebook 101. It is on point and is like nothing else. It's like the glue that brings it all together. So to get access, here's exactly what to do. Click the link below this video, go to the page, pay your $7 one-time payment, and you'll get instant access. Now, there might be upsells. You do not need to take those. All you want is the $7 access. Everything else I can guide you through. But there's no calls, no pressure. Just follow the steps and you're in. And if you're wondering if this works in your country or in your industry, your situation, or at your experience level, then the answer is yes, it does. If you've got any specific questions, just message me. That's why I'm here. So watch the video, see if it makes sense, and decide in your own time.